Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, at masayang bagong milenyo po sa inyong lahat. At bilang pagsalubong din sa unang linggo ng taong 2000, bayaan ninyo po akong makiisa sa inyong pagsasaya sa pamamagitan ng mga awiting naging bahagi na ng nakaraang panahon na nagbigay daan upang ang aking musika ay makarating itong bagong taon. Mula sa kauna-unahang theme park ng bansa, ang Nayong Pilipino sa Vegan House, welcome to R2K, the TV special.
Here's my story.
Spring was never waiting for my dear. It went one step ahead as we followed in the din. I recall the yellow cotton dress flowing like the wave on the ground beneath your knee. The spark has melted in the air. The sweet green night's flowing down. Someone lit the cake out in the rain. Don't think that I could take it, 'cause it took so long to bake it, and I'll never have that recipe again. Oh no.
Boom, 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 bass boom, back in the room. For my second rap track, now it's time to consume. About a girl who was still she wears Chanel perfume. Now I never loved a girl like this one. She's the one who gave birth to my only son. But my friends started tripping, so I started skipping my dates. She hates the way it's begun. Just rolling with my homies, always looking for fun.
I recall the yellow cotton dress flowing like the wave on the ground beneath your knee. Birds like tender babies in your hands. They're only playing, shining by the tree.
Bakit nga ba R2K? R dahil Regine, 2 plus 3 zeros para sa year 2000. At K para sa gabing ito na punong-puno ng kakaiba at kawili-wiling kantahan. Kakaibang saya din ang aking nararamdaman mula nung may announce ko sa programa naming Panglinggo, ang SOP, na gusto kong malaman kung ano-anong mga awitin ang nais ninyong isama ko sa bagong album na ito. Maraming salamat po sa napakaraming nag-respond. Yun nga lang, pasensya na kasi hindi po lahat na isama ko. Kaya ang ginawa po namin, kumuha po kami ng top 5 requested songs. At nangunguna ho sa mga ito ang siya ring naging first single ng R2K, The Album, ang On the Wings of Love. At narito po ang kabuuan ng awiting puno ng pagmamahal at pasasalamat sa lahat ng sumulat at nag-request para dito. Malayo man kayo, malapit naman sa puso ko. At hanggang makakaya ko, liliparin ko kayo.
Just smile for me and let the day begin. You are the sunshine that lights my heart within. I'm sure that you're an angel in disguise. Come take my hand and together we will rise. On the wings of love,
taon na po ako sa industriya. Malayong malayo pa kumpara sa mga batikan at tinitingalang higante ng industriya. Ngunit kung ano man ang narating ko sa loob ng 15 taon, hindi lahat ay naging madali gaya ng iniisip ng iba. Mayroon ding panahon na naging mailap ang tadhana. Kung minsan pa nga'y dinadaan ko na lang sa ngiti kahit na ang loob ay umiiyak. Sa mga madilim na sandaling ito, iisa lang ang palagi kong naging kasakasama. Isang bagay na nakakaalam kung ano ba talaga ang tunay kong nararamdaman. Isang tunay na kakampi, parang taong may pakiramdam at nag-iisang bagay na kailanman ay hindi ako iiwanan. Magmula pa nung hanggang liig ko ang tubig dagat sa Leyte hanggang sa amateur singing contest hanggang ngayon. At siya ding may dahilan kung paano ninyo ako nakilala ng lubusan.
din para sa amin.
Talagang kahit na may ginagawa ko sa araw nun, talagang kumbaga sinet aside ko muna yun para sa MTV.
I never thought na in my life, magiging malapit kami sa kanya in this way. Kasi parang sobrang taas ng tingin mo pag sinabing Regine Velasquez. Dahil, syempre, he's a songbird yan, he's a song goddess, sobrang galing. So, parang hindi mo may expect na ganun pala siya ka-down to earth, na may pagka, kalog.
Kaya sobrang proud kami na makasama sa MTV niya. She'll make you feel comfortable kapag kasama ka niya. And yun, talagang she can bring out the best in you, kumbaga.
Tsaka she's fun to be with. Parang lang kasama mo yung barkada mo.
Oo.
Like, after namin, di ba, shoot yung MTV, nag-swimming pa kami sa waterfalls. Kumbaga, lahat kami, pati lahat ng staff, sama-sama lang kami dun sa parang waterfalls. Congratulations!
Regine.
Yes, congratulations on your new album. R2K, sobrang galing. You deserve everything that you have. You deserve everything that you have achieved and that you are going to achieve in the future. We all love you and we know that you're the best.
Isa lang masabi ko dyan, alright.
Love in my young life took me somewhere I have never been, and I want to live again, breathe again in the shelter of his brightly woven love song. So long I have wanted love to be sitting just this near to me. Now my waiting heart is free. Few are the choices we are given. The sands of time pass quickly by. One dream of my young life
did a couple of lines. I did backup vocals for One Love. When I was there in recording, I saw Regine in action as a producer. Nakita ko how she was on top of everything. Nag-arrange na rin siya. Siya nagpo-produce. Siya nag-aayos ng lahat. Somehow, she's like a butterfly. Malaki na ang in-improve niya. She's evolved into a lady, a woman, a better performer. This is like a gift to her fans kasi yung CD mismo, the music itself, makita mo nakita ko na pinaghirapan niya talaga. And this is her best so far. Pinagkagastusan niya. And aside from that, meron pa siyang VCD na kasama with I think 5 videos and a full magazine na mga pictorials niya. So this is her most expensive work. Parang nagawa na niya lahat, no? Parang ang natitira na lang yung mag-bold siya eh. Siguro yun na lang, pero wag naman sana.
Since I entered this business, my life has been an open book, lalong-lalo na sa mga taga-press. At sa tuwing nagtatagpo kami ng mga taga-press, hindi mawawala ang mga tanong na patungkol sa love life. I must admit, many has been written about what happened in the past. Minsan pa nga, kung ano pa yung dapat kinakalimutan na, ang paulit-ulit na sumasagi sa mga tinatanong nila. Kung minsan naman, kung ano yung hindi naman totoo, ang pinagpipilitang ipaamin sa iyo. Para matapos na nga ang intriga dahil year 2000 na, aaminin ko na talaga ngayon ang tungkol sa love life ko. Opo, kami na nga. Kami na nga talaga ng karir ko na mukhang magkakasama ng matagal. Alam kong hindi niya ako makakayang pagtaksilan dahil mahal na mahal ko din siya. Gaya ng pagmamahal niya sa tulad kong bata pa lang ay mahilig na sa pagkanta. You looked inside my fantasies, and each one come true. Something no one else had ever found a way to do. Yes, I found one since you took me in, and I know this way again. I know I'll never love this way again, so I keep holding on before the good is gone. I know I'll never love this way again. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. A fool will lose tomorrow, reaching back for yesterday. I won't turn my head in sorrow if you should go away. Stand just how good it's been, and I know I'll never love this way again. I know I'll never
business namin nung maliit pa si Regine. At siya ang naging katuwang ko sa pagkita sa kabubuhay namin. Sa pamagitan ng pagsali-sali namin sa amateur, nakakaraos kami ng araw. Yun ay dahil sa nag-resign ako sa aking trabaho para ma-develop ko siya. Kaya dumanas kami ng kahirapan noon. Siya ang naging katuwang ko. Tungkol naman sa pagmamahal namin kay Regine, mahal na mahal namin siya tulad din ng aming ibang mga anak. Mahal na mahal namin sila. Wala akong makitang bagay na may compare kay Regine. She's incomparable. Sa preciousness, incomparable siya. Dahil nakita ko sa kanya ang talagang pagmamahal niya sa amin sa pamilya. Masyado siya dedicated sa kanyang trabaho. Nung nakikita ko sa kanya, yung dedication niya sa trabaho niya. Actually, gusto ko naman mag-asawa siya. Ayoko kasing maputol yung line ng pagkanta niya sa kanya. Gusto ko meron magmana sa kanyang talent.
Ewan ko, hindi ko talaga alam kung paano kaya ang mundo kung wala sila sa tabi ko. My family has always been my treasure, my joy, my laughter, my triumph, my pride, my inspiration, my life. At siguradong mawawalan lahat ng saysayang buhay ko kung mawawala sila sa piling ko.
Lost and all alone, I always thought that I could make it on my own. Since you left, I hardly make it through the day. My tears get in the way, and I need you back to stay. I wander through the night and search the world to find the words to make things right. All I want is just the way it used to be. With you here close to me, and I've got to make you see that I'm lost without your love. Life without you isn't worth the trouble of. Well, I'm as helpless as a ship without a wheel, a touch without a feel. I can't believe it's real. But someday soon I'll wake and find my heart won't have to break. Yes, I'm lost without your love.
ang tawag sa akin tuwing may amateur singing contest, the next contestant, please. Sa ang bagong kampyon, ang tawag naman nila sa akin ay ang humahamon, na naging hinahamon. Tapos isang gabi, bigla na lang naging ang bagong kampyon, na naging ang dating kampyon na sumunod pa hanggang sa mga ilang gabi. Bakit nga ba naging Asia Songbird bigla? At kung paano naman napunta sa Asia Song Goddess, pare-pareho lang po tayong nagtatanong hanggang ngayon. Aba, kung ano-anong title. May Pop Diva, may Queen of Soul, may Asia's Queen of Songs, may Millennium Diva, at kung ano-ano pang bansag sa mga awit. Pero kung ako ang tatanungin, isang title lang po talaga ang dream ko na itawag sa akin. Kangaya lang ho hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa rin ho mapanindigan. Ito po ay ang tanghalin akong isang dancing queen. Hey! Ooh! ng patience sa mga taong nagulo ko sa mga lugar na pinagpictorialan namin for the R2K magazine. Masigit syempre ang pasasalamat ko sa mga photographers na nagtiyaga sa akin. Tulad nila Jun De Leon, Raymond Isaac, Pancho Escaler, Ron Salvacion, Tingot Zolueta, Rudy Liwanag, Boy Garcia, Ramon Samson, Ali Vicoy at Richard Viñas. Sa mga mapanuri nilang mata ko po utang ang mga nakita ninyong mga larawan, lalo na sa R2K magazine. At dahil dyan, handog ko sa inyo ang second most requested song ayon sa mga sumulat sa akin na napakalapit din sa aking puso dahil ito po ang naging winning piece ko sa Ang Bagong Kampiyon.
I think I finally know you. I can see beyond your smile. I think that I can show you that what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love's just like the thread that keeps on unraveling, but then it ties us back together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams, reflections. In your eyes, are the answers to my questions. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why your love's alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore. I think I finally learned to love you. You told me that life changes and that no one really knows whether time would make us strangers or whether time would make us grow. Even though the winds of time will change in a world where nothing stays the same. Through it all, our love would still remain. In your eyes, I can see my dreams, I can see my dreams. In your eyes, are the answers to my questions. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why your love's alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore. I think I finally learned to love you more. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why our love's alive. You and I, we're drifting safely back to shore. I think I finally learned to love you more. I think I finally love you. I finally love you. I can see it all. I see it all in your eyes.
Sa kabila po ng kung ano man ang kinatatayaan ko ngayon, may mga bagay-bagay din po na gusto ko sanang gawin, ngunit hindi ko gaanong napag-uukulan ng pansin sa dami po ng mga nasagutan kong permiso. Masaya ako kapag nakakapag-shopping ako buong araw. O kaya, may makikita akong nagtitinda ng fish balls. Solve na ako. But I know there are some things which you just can't easily do. There are times when you just have to act the way people think about you. Hindi naman sa nagrereklamo ako. I just don't want to miss those things. Laking Bulacan yata to, and I'm really proud of it.
I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dreams would never do. I still miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. Lying close to you, feeling your beating, and I wonder what you're dreaming, wondering if it's me you're seeing. And then I kiss your eyes and thank God we're together. I just wanna stay with you in this moment forever, forever and ever. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dreams would never do. I still miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss one smile. I don't wanna miss one kiss. I just wanna be with you right here, right now. Just like this. I just wanna hold you close and feel your heart so close to mine. And just stay here in this moment for the rest of time. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. Hindi po makukumpleto ang R2K album without the great contribution from a great director. Lalo na po pagdating sa mga MTVs. 5 out of 6 MTVs na napapaloob sa R2K album ay gawa ni Louie Ignacio, na siya ding director ng SOP at ng TV special na ito. At habang nakikinig ako sa mga instructions niya bago kami mag-take sa mga shooting ng mga MTVs na ito, parang bigla bang naengganyo akong gumawa rin ng sarili kong MTV. Why not? Total, ako din naman ang producer ng album. So, nag-direct ho ako. Kaya lang, mahirap din pala yun. Lalo na kung nakabitin ka sa building na wala kang kadobol habang kumakanta.
I'm afraid to fly, and I don't know why.
Regine, as I said once in her magazine, sabi ko, Regine to music is like Michael Jordan to basketball. I think she's the best that I've seen, and I think that she's one of the most giving performers that I've ever seen. She was born to sing. She was born to perform. We've watched her become what she is now, and we call her the Asia's song goddess. She's like a sponge because she wants to learn a lot of things, and I think yung work experience niya abroad and here, she wants to learn all the time, to do new things and everything. Tapos pag binuka mo ngayon yung sponge, wow, talagang she spreads herself like a butterfly and she just flies like a songbird. We're very proud of you as an artist and also as a friend because you're a great person. So everything that you have achieved in your life, you deserve, and I think you deserve more. I think you deserve to be known all over the world, in fact, all over the universe. So you'll be the universe song goddess.
I have sang 1,000 songs. I have worn countless costumes with innumerable hairstyles and portrayed different roles. Marami tuloy ang nag-aakalang iba na daw ako. Sabi nila. Pero whatever people might think, sa totoo lang, hindi ko pa rin maramdaman ang kakaibahang yan. As far as I know, I'm still the same old prom na Bulakenya, panganay ni Mang Jerry at ni Aling Tessie, na mahilig kumanta mula umaga hanggang gabi. Yung mga malapit sa akin ang tanging makapagpapatunay. After 15 years, hello, it's still the same old me.
Hello,
Music of Goodbye, na parang sobra akong na-inspire. Siyempre, binuo ko muna yung storya nung concept ko. Yung yung pinaka-story. Very tight yung schedule namin na mahaba kasi since may story siya, kailangan mong i-follow yung story niya. Plus, mahirap, medyo madugo yung shootingan kasi nag-change ng look, isang present, isang past, tapos kunwari, supposedly meron kaming present and past sa exterior at saka sa interior, so madugo. Kaya lang, minalas-malas kami kasi umulan. Kaya humingi ako ng chance sa ate ko. Ang galing ni Julio Diaz na talagang sobra akong bumilib sa kanya. Galing ng acting niya. Hindi naman ako talaga, first time ko mag-direct at hindi ko alam kung paano mag-brief ng artist. Yung parang sinasabi ko lang sa kanya, ganito yung eksena, ganyan. Pero ang galing niya, sobrang kuhang-kuha niya. Sa ate ko naman, mas light naman yung acting niya eh. Mas mahirap yung kay Julio. Pero, okay naman. Naka-arte siya considering na ilang araw na siyang pagod at puyat.
This MTV talaga naman naka-excite dahil sa idea na turn of the century yung aming So, bali parang 100 years back ang aming tema. So, with Regine talagang siguro masasabi ko matagal ko na ring somehow pinangarap makasama si Regine. The fact na pareho kami taga Bulacan. Well, this kind of MTV, para ring may pagka-telesine yung kanilang concept. So, malaki yung similarity, pero sa ibang MTV nakikita ko, pinapanood ko na purely effects, Ito parang andun pa rin yung na umaarte pa rin ako, para bang kinuha ko rin ito dahil kasi kailangan ko umarte. Whereas sa ibang MTV, ibang dating. Ikakaya ng director, meron siyang depth, meron siyang promising siya as a director. And I hope ma-achieve pa niya yung kanyang gusto mangyari as staff behind the camera bilang director. As a person, Regina, mabait siya, accommodating, and madali pakisamahan. And ano ba? Of course, maganda.
A song I know so well, the music of goodbye again. It's there each time we say hello. As always, there's no reason why. Again, you kiss me with your eyes, and in your arms I fly again. But even as we touch the clouds, there in the quiet is goodbye again. Perhaps the way I hold you makes you afraid I hold you, makes you afraid to love me. Love me as through the night we dance the tender dance of try again. I hear it played softly and sadly, the music of goodbye. me take you far away. You'd like a Let me take you far away. You'd like a holiday. Let me take you far away. You'd like a holiday. Exchange your trouble for some love wherever. Let me take you far away. You'd like a Longing for the sun, you will come to the island without name. Longing for the sun, we will come on the island and miles away from home. We will come on the island without name. Longing for the sun, you will come to the island and miles away from Ain't no place I'd rather be than with you. Ooh, yeah, loving you.
The sweet green nights they flowing down.
Si Regine, mahirap bang pasayawin? Minsan, kasi actually mas mahirap siyang pasayawin dati when she started off. Kasi wala siyang tiwala sa sarili niya pagdating sa movement. Although, she has rhythm and she has form. Na-excite kami nung unang sinabi niya, gusto ko na sumayaw. Sasayaw ako sa video ko. Na-shock kami ganun. Pero, it's a good thing that she was able to do justice to that dance, which was choreographed by Charles. Charles Thompson choreographed the MTV of For the Love of You. We love working with Regine kasi magaang din siyang kaibigan. We have this mutual respect between each other as professionals. If she should dance, it should be something that she does really wonderfully, hindi yung alanganin. Pero at the same time, the dancers should be used now as siguro as part of her look, as part of her background, rather than sinasabayan niya yung dancers. Siguro something like, if the dancers create like a skirt around a diva like her, diba? Ganun yung effect. It's parang nagkumuha ka ng drawing. I'd like to say congratulations to you, Regine. Kasi we're so happy that
R2K is becoming such a big success. It already is. And actually, hindi naman kami na-amaze kasi we expected it from you. We'd love to keep working with you until the days that we retire.
I'm happy to say na ang R2K album was born out of love, nurtured by the people whom I considered true friends. Through their love, binigyan pang lalo ng sigla sa tulong ng mga kaibigan na nagtrabaho, nagpuyat, nagtiyaga mula pa noong kinoconceptualize ito hanggang sa marating ang platinum status ng album na mas lalo pang binigyang buhay ng mga friends namin na siya ring tumulong like Boss Vic Del Rosario, Rene Salta, and the whole Viva staff. I would also like to say thank you to Hansel Villafuerte at Ernie Duque kasama ng buong Manila Bulletin staff, si Miss Kule Desma at ang Bravo Recording Studio. Thank you to Southern Bulls. Salamat din kina Eddie Badeo, Ariel Agasang, Jerry Sunga at Lloyd Arceo. Thank you also to Mix for the wonderful outfits. At syempre, salamat sa inspirasyon na nagmula sa mga katulad ng bawat isa sa inyo. Mahal na mahal pa rin ang musika ko. Kayo ang tunay na mga dati at bagong kampiyon, mga Asia songbirds and goddesses. At dahil sa pagmamahal ninyo, kaya narito ako.
Drifting on a memory. Ain't no place I'd rather be than with you. Ooh, yeah. Loving you. Day will make away the night. All we need is candlelight and a song. Ooh, yeah. Soft and low. Glad to be here alone with a lover like no other. Sad to see a new horizon slowly coming into view. I wanna be living for the love of you. All that I'm giving is for the love of you. Is for the love of you. Lovely as a ray of sun that touches me when the morning comes. Feels good to me. My love smoother than a gentle breeze, flowing through my mind with ease, soft as can be. When you're loving me, love to be riding the waves of your love, enchanted with your touch. Seems to me we can sail together in and out of misery. Ooh, I wanna be living for the love of you. Only for your love, giving for the love of you is for the love.
You're my lollipop, you're my lemon drop, you're my sweet pea, you're my queen bee.
When I look into your eyes like a ray of sunshine, the kind of girl I wanna sport when I'm rolling my ride.
It's love,
I'm living,
all for you, the first girl in my life
that'll always be true.
Some get jealous of what we got,
But there's no way to stop all the feelings we got. It's the little things that made me get with you. The way you
look in my eyes,
the way you
smile at times,
the way you touch my hand
when I'm not in demand,
the way you make me feel fine when I'm crying at night. Paradise within my mind. So I huff and I puff, but you know I ain't tripping. I told you before that I only be living for the love of you, my boo.
Wanna be living
For the love. Yeah, for the love of you, girl.
yeah. All that I'm giving
All that I'm giving is for the love, for the love of you. That's why everything I do, I do for you.
Might as well sign my name on a card that could say it better. Time will tell, 'cause it seems that I've done just about all that I can do. I wanna be living for the love of you.
For the love of you, girl.
All that I'm giving
It's
is for the love of you.
It's love. I'm living.
It's for the love
Yeah.
you.
All I wanna do is live for you, baby girl, my boo. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Living. It's for the love. Yeah.
Like they always say, living for you.
It's love. For the love of you, girl. Yeah.
For the love of you, my boo. Hey, Regine.
What?
What's up?
What's up?
Guess what?
What?
We're living for the love of you.
It's for the love of you. All that I'm giving is for the love of you.
That she asked us if we wanted to guest on her album.
No second thoughts. I go, why not? It's an honor.
I was
no
like-
way.
I
would say no. He wrote the song. I mean, the whole rap thing. I just added a few lines.
Yeah. We actually had we wrote it a little bit, but then when we got to the studio, we changed it all. So actually, both of the songs that I wrote with the headphones on while they were waiting. Sorry guys.
Yeah, I came in late.
Hold on, I'll get this done. It's such an honor because she's like, this song's for
Song
Goddess.
And
We're pretty on the same tip, aren't we?
Oh yeah.
Song Goddess.
Yeah.
She's Goddess.
We're really lucky because we were having fun doing the recording, and then when we heard about the MTV, we were really surprised.
Did you see Regine with the snake? She was like, it was all, man. She was all.
She didn't mind it, and then she kissed it.
I was like, oh my gosh, this girl's brave because I was all. He's looking at me because the snake was right here, and guys, he's looking at me. He smells something here, but Regine was all.
But off camera, I was like carrying it. It's just cool.
You were chasing people around.
Yeah, especially there.
Regine was all like, I wanna be living for the love of you. My best part was sitting on the motorcycle.
Oh yeah, mine's the convertible. Cause he got one of his best parts. I got mine. But it's an unforgettable thing because with Regine, fantastic. She was wearing this cool dress. Really cool.
She wore 20 dresses.
Oh yeah.
But when we saw it, it's hard to tell what it's like when you're there doing it because you see it just by scene. But then when we saw it, we were like,
yeah, the whole thing.
Dude, we're in a music video.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm on a CD.
I want a CD. I want a VCD.
Oh my gosh. I'm a music guy.
It's an experience.
It's the bomb, girl. You know what you're doing. And she produced it and everything, right?
Oh yeah.
She knows what she's doing, and I hope she gets this again.
Congratulations, Regine, and we really thank you for giving this opportunity for us to do the rap part. Yeah.
Thank you.
For
and
believing in us. Wow.
You're one of the people that
really
stands by us, and we stand by you 135 million %. So
yeah, the care and all that.
we love you.
We love you.
And you are the best.
Yeah, and we'll be living for
the love of you, Courtney. No. Just kidding.
binabasa ko, lahat ng awiting inaawit ko, lahat ng himig na naririnig ninyo, lahat, pinahiram lang sa atin ng poong may kapal. All these are made possible because of His great love, for He was always with me through good times. And He never left me during the bad times. He's always with me during the thick and the thicker. At kulang ang 2 oras at kalahati ng isang gabi para pasalamatan siya. After tonight, as we go back to our homes, families, and normal lives, it's good to know that whenever you walk in any storm, there will always be some kind of shining light that will guide you whatever it takes. Therefore, there's no need to be afraid of the dark. Ang lahat ng ito ay naging posible dahil sa inyo. Kaya naman bayaan ninyong ibalik ko kahit kapiraso. Ang lahat ng kabutihang biyaya na natanggap ko mula sa inyong pagpapala sa pamamagitan ng isang bagay na alam kong gawin, ang umawit. Ngunit this time ay isang awiting panalangin. Pasasalamat sa lahat ng mga kaibigan. Samahan ninyo po ako dahil ngayon ko lang po ito gagawin, ang awitin na Ama namin, Our Lord's Prayer.
Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our debts as we forgive our debtors. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom and the power and the
Before I go, I would like to thank everybody who was involved in the production of this show. I would like to thank Victor Rosario and Viva Records. I would also like to say thank you to my director, my staff and my crew, and my wonderful band. Thank you so much, guys. And of course, thank you very, very much for making this special, truly special for me. Have a wonderful night. Happy Millennium!